Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to play violin on GarageBand. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video to the very end, follow my steps correctly, so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up the official GarageBand application in your mobile phone if not already. If you do not have the application, just go to the App Store and download it, and after opening it up, you'll be greeted by this main page right here, which is the home page where you can find all the instruments you can play. You have your audio recorder as well and so on. So let's go ahead and see how we can get started with playing the violin. So basically guys, as you have already seen right here, when scrolling from the instruments, you'll be able to find a violin option. So here is an option that says strings. So here we can play all the options that we have and all the instruments that we have with strings. So as you can see, we can just open it up or we can click the more sounds right here. So after clicking more sounds guys, you can see that you can go ahead and play cinematic, modern, pop. You can select whatever option of strings you want to play. So after you're finished with your selection, click on done right here. And now to open it up, we can go ahead and tap on it. After tapping on it guys, this is now going to open up this recording menu where we can get started playing our strings and our violin. So you want to go ahead and click the big red circle to start recording yourself, and after that start playing your music right here. After you're finished, right here in the upper left corner, you can click on this edit mode. That's going to open up this mixing mode where you can find all the tracks you have created, such as my keyboard track, drums, and your violin option will appear as here as well when you're finished recording yourself. But yeah guys, basically that is how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care and bye.